Sébar maithe a hanine agus tamíle fáilte roh heic an caint agus an díosbreacht seo beidir nó lé na mrá agus ról na man sa ceol tradiisiúnta agus ceol tradiisiúnta na haireann go príomh a bheits a phléagainn inniu staiche ach tá mar déanana go dtiocfaí na tradiisiún éagsúla isteach in san chaint fásta. We're outside burning our bras there, so I'm delighted that we have such a brilliant panel assembled today. Lots and lots of ideas for this discussion. We're not here to complain and say that women are there's a novel at disadvantage and treated very badly in the Irish traditional scene. That's not the case at all. But when given this subject matter, when you actually start thinking about things and thinking about possibly observations that you make throughout the years and then say, oh, well, actually, do you know, that was the case and this was the case. I think that's more of the kind of discussion we're having. Who were your heroes and were any of them women? We think of sessions. Are women well represented there? Do women hold their own with the numbers of men present? Is that something that they even think about? These are questions we'll all be asking.
The first person I saw playing the harp was a girl, Rose Jordan, and like she definitely affected me because I wanted to play the harp. She was amazing. She played tunes when nobody played tunes, you know.
Yeah, for myself as a vocalist, I think I had a lot of female kind of idols in traditional music, and also I learned most of my music in the Armagh Pipers Club, so I had Ethna Vallely at the helm alongside Brian, so that was a pretty strong female influence from the word go.
Today's teenagers are playing music and I look at young girls playing and they're super confident. I thought, oh my God, I wish I had a bit of that confidence. Like,
my brother was kind of always a little bit more confident and a bit more dominant in traditional music, and like that's the reason I didn't really play the flute so much, because he kept picking it up and being better at it because he just had that confidence. He didn't question it.
I think we lack testosterone.
When you get up on stage, do you feel a pressure to have to really look good because you're the girl in the band?
I do think there's definitely too much focus on female image in the music industry, and the same doesn't stand for men at all, but also age is another thing.
I've got some things make your picture.
The record company employed someone to write up a PR thing, right? And we were just hadn't a clue about this stuff, like, and she wrote a big press release about girl power, and we were just all totally allergic to this because it wasn't long after like Spice Girls and stuff, and it was just so totally uncool.
To the museum.
I think I found before I put out my first EP, a lot of male music producers or people who know a lot about the technology side of things wanted to kind of give me advice on what way I should mix it, what way I should master it, what direction I should be taking.
And what did you do?
I did my own thing.
Tá sé an jazz le bhéin seo I measc grúpa mra Ceiliúradh. It's a real pleasure to be here on International Women's Day in the middle of this lovely crowd. It's had a really great day. We had a bit of a debate earlier.
You enjoy all the music you've heard so far, unbelievable. Entertainment, fair play. Cultúrlann just keeps on giving.
So I know we're celebrating women, but I've got two honorary women tonight. Yeah.
What's the set of tunes now there, Emma? Tell us about it.
We're going to do a set of jigs.
All right, that's news to me. There we go.
Eamon would know what the set list was if we didn't go and get some retail therapy when we were doing a practice.
It is International Women's Day, so we'll let loose. Nice new blazer there, H&M. Tried on a few, but this is the one that has still kept their seat there, so we'll probably take it back tomorrow.